them.
Yeah.
You can see the difference in size, mind you, when you see them stick together there, can't you? You know, the...
How long does it last?
Somebody had taken a picture when they went on holiday, there was swallows in the nest. When they came back, they took a picture of the nest. There's just a mass of feathers there, no birds and bits of bones and stuff. So it looks as if it's been predated, but just what's done it, I don't know. Squirrels and rats or something. But
Be a weasel.
eh?
Be a weasel too,
Quite possibly, but you'd imagine something like that would take them away. If they had young, you know, birds, crows would certainly take them.
Yeah.
They would take them away.
Siskins. Nice siskin on the top with the feeder. They're young as well, see it?
It's either that or they've died and it's just been a whole load of beetles eating them.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, the siskins are my favourites. Eat the loads of...
Oh, the ducks have come to chase the jackdaw.
I see its plumage is changing that.
Summer foliage. Oh, nearly fell off.
Is that two
It's
young
not
ones
going to be
there?
the flag.
No,
The one on the right?
yeah. And the adults on the left. The one on the feeding tray is a juvenile rook.
Oh, is it? What's that beside the goat? Is that a siskin? Is that a young siskin? It looks very small, isn't it?
Oh, that's brilliant how it's dancing in front of my camera.
I'm glad one of them's picked up this idea of eating by itself.
Yes.
Not very well, so we're trying.
That one was sitting there on that thing this morning, looked as if it was...
Oh, it just frightened all the wee ones away.